Hello? Have you ever heard about conditional sentence before? Okay, then if there's no response, what is conditional? First of all, talking about conditional tenses are used to speculate about what could happen, what might have happened, and what we wish would happen. Or maybe have you ever heard about if only blah 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 blah, I will blah 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 blah, something like that ya. Perandaian conditional itu ya. And there are many kinds of conditional sentences based on the conditional, based on the condition, okay? First of all, before we talk about the kinds of conditional sentences, you have to understand about the structure, yeah, or the composition of a conditional sentence. In a conditional sentence, there are two clauses, yeah. The first clause, we call it with if clause, and the clause with main. Please take a look at the example here, okay? If it rains tomorrow, we will not come. If it rains, if you find an if in a clause, it means that it is the if clause, yeah? But if you cannot find any if in the clause, it means that is the main clause, okay? So if clause and main clause. It's a must, yeah. In a conditional sentence, there should be two clauses. The first one is if clause, the second one main clause. Kalau kebalik boleh nggak main clause duluan baru if clause boleh, ya, no problem. Any questions, Ade? Oh, okay, please. Okay, talking about kinds of conditional sentences, there are 4 kinds of conditional sentences, okay? There are 4 types of conditional sentences based on the specific implication. So each of conditional sentence, they have different implication. And each type of conditional sentence use different tenses, okay, to show the difference in their implications. I'm going to show you the table. Yeah, this is the table that we are talking about. There are 4 types. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 types of conditional sentence. The first type is conditional sentence type 0. In type 0, it is talking about general truth or everything that you talk about using conditional sentence type 0. Everyone in the world knows about it already. Okay, later I'm going to show you the examples. Okay, and for the if clause, it is using simple present, and the main clause, it is using simple present as well. Next, conditional sentence type 1. In conditional sentence type 1, you will use it when you are talking about a possible condition and its probable result. So something that is going to be happen in the near future and it is possible. Okay. And then in the if clause, we are using simple present. Main clause using simple future. Later, I will show you the example. Done. Type 2, conditional sentence type 2, it is used for a hypothetical condition and its probable result. So this is only for imagination, okay? Because it will not be real. Like this is only your imagination. For the if clause, it is using simple past. Main clause using present conditional. I will show you how is the example later, okay? And the last kind of conditional sentence, we have conditional sentence type 3. In type 3, it will talk about something that is unrealistic, okay, in the past, and the probable result also in the past. Ini buat yang suka regretting something ya, yang suka ketun kalau bahasa Jawanya itu. For example, seandainya dulu saya diterima di Fakultas Kedokteran, mungkin saat ini saya sudah bla 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 seperti itu ya. Itu adalah type 3. If clause-nya it's using past perfect and main clause using present perfect conditional. From these four, we're going to discuss about these three types, okay? Type 0, type 1, and type 2 in this meeting and in this semester as well. First of all, I'm going to show you about the conditional type 0, okay? In conditional type 0, it talks about universal truth or general truth, yeah, everyone knows about it. The tenses, both of the clauses are using simple present. For example, if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If clause-nya simple, it boils simple. Ya, dan semua orang di dunia tahu ini pasti kejadian. Kalau begini, pasti begini. Nah, itu conditional type 0 namanya. If you pour oil into water, it floats. Pasti kan, di belahan dunia manapun sama, seperti ini. Do you have any question? Okay, if there's no question, I need your help to write some examples. One student, please write one examples. Yeah, 3 students enough to show me that you understand about conditional type 0. Okay, one sentence of conditional type 0, please type it on the public chat. It's very simple. Okay, Wahyu is typing. Wow, so many examples we have here. Nadia, if you heat butter, it melts. Good job. If you freeze water, it turns into ice. Nice. Rizky. Oh, kok sama ya? Muhammad Rizky sama Nadia Rizky. If we burn paper, it becomes ash. Nice. Nanda, if it's winter, the weather will be very cold. Nah, ini ada will-nya. Oke, kalau ada will-nya ini berarti bukan zero. Harusnya if it's winter, it is very cold gitu, ya. Julian, if I feel sick if I eat too much. Oke, betul. You will get tired if you keep running. Oke, ini ada will-nya. Berarti bukan type 0 ya. Harusnya if you keep running, you are tired. Ray, the flower grow if you water it every day. Ini bukan type 0 ya. If it's winter, the weather is very cold. Yes, Fernanda, that's great. Well done. If you study hard, you will get A for the test. Nah, ini bukan type 0 ini. Karena belum pasti kan. Ada will-nya. If you blow helium to a balloon, it flies. Nah, ini benar Adam. Akmal, if I wash the clothes, it cleans. It is clean. Mungkin ya, it is clean. Gitu, Akmal. Oke? Bisa dipahami tapi ya. Pokoknya simple present sama simple present kedua clause-nya. Nggak ada yang simple future. Oke, kalau ada will-nya tuh jadi simple future kan? Oke, now I'm going to continue. Karena waktu kita terbatas ya, maaf ya, nggak usah latihan di sini. Saya lebih enjoy latihan kalau Anda yang mencoba membuat kalimat ya. Nah, conditional type 1 you are using conditional type 1, it means that you are talking about a present or future probable case or something that is likely to be happen in the near future. Ya, jadi mungkin masih possible ini. If clause-nya pakai simple present, main clause-nya simple future ya. Berarti ada lagi. Perhatikan, if it rains tomorrow, simple present ya. The match will be cancelled. Ini simple future, oke? Will sama to be, oke? Selanjutnya, if I feel sick, simple present, I will not go to school. Ini simple future. Now, please write down the example of conditional type 1. Okay, please. Wow, it's plenty. I will check one by one. I will eat if I'm hungry. Good job, Badrul. Rizky, if something happens, I will call you. Great, Julian. If I meet her, I will introduce myself. Yes, correct. If you rest, you will feel better. If you take a rest. If I have a lot of money, I will buy a new bag for you. Nice. Vita, if I have much money, I will buy a new house. Nice. Fena, if they bully me, I will report them to police. Correct. Ferry, if you study, you will more. Nice. Prince, it will come, I will come to the house. Correct, Utari. Akmal, if you talk to him, you will know him. Correct. Nadia, I will buy ice cream if mother gives me money. Okay, nice. Everyone is correct. Yeah, thank you. Do you have any question? I think it's very simple, yeah. Next, conditional type 2. So in conditional type 2, it is used to talk about a present or future improbable case. Okay, so it's impossible to be happened in the near future, or it's impossible to be happen forever. Okay, so for the tenses, if clause is using past tense and main clause using would plus infinitive. Infinitive itu apa? Verb satu tanpa diubah-ubah ya. Nggak boleh tambah ing, nggak boleh tambah s, pokoknya verb satu aja. Would tambah verb satu aja. The example, if he were a bird, he would fly across the harbor. If clause-nya using simple past, main clause-nya using would plus infinitive. Loh, mem, ini pakai he, tapi kok to be-nya were, harusnya kan he was gitu. Nah, ini adalah ciri khas dari conditional type 2. Conditional type 2 karena hanya berandai-andai, itu semua to be-nya yang tadinya was, he was, she was, I was, itu semua harus diganti were. Sedangkan yang sudah were, they were, seperti itu ya tetap pakai were. We were, tetap pakai were. Ini menandakan bahwa kalimat ini adalah conditional type 2. Ya, pernah dengar lagu If I Were You? Nah, itu kan berandai-andai kan, karena nggak mungkin kejadian tiba-tiba saya langsung berada di tubuh orang lain gitu kan. Nah, and then untuk main clause-nya juga menggunakan would plus infinitive atau would kemudian verb 1. Itu wajib ya. Oh iya, tadi belum saya infokan kalau will ya, will di sini sebentar. Nah, di sini ada will kan. Will itu bisa diganti model yang lain ya. Ada shall, ada may, ada can, oke. Itu boleh untuk menggantikan will ya. Sedangkan di sini, nah ini would-nya ya, would-nya bisa diganti dengan should, might, could. Oke. Contoh yang lainnya, if I had 200,000 dollars now, I would buy a car. Ini kan nggak mungkin kejadian sekarang atau di waktu yang dekat, toh pasti membutuhkan waktu yang sangat lama atau mungkin nggak kejadian gitu. So that's why it is using conditional type 2. Yang simple, yang if clause-nya pakai verb to atau simple past, main clause-nya pakai would infinitive. Do you have any question? Now it's time for you to write conditional sentence. Ya Allah, maaf. Type 2 maksud saya, bukan conditional sentence 2. Silahkan, please write one for each student. I will check. What's your happen? Misalnya, if I were a boy, itu kan nggak mungkin ya. If I were you, if I were Raisa's husband, misalnya kayak gitu, itu kan sudah tidak mungkin. Oke, dari Evi ya. If it rain tomorrow, I would sleep all day. Ini nggak bisa type tuh seperti ini. Karena ini masih kemungkinan kemudian gitu. Ada lagi contoh kayak gini loh, kalau kita orang Indonesia ya. Kalau saya punya 100 miliar, saya akan bawa orang satu kampung naik haji. Nah, kayak gitu. Kan nggak mungkin ya, itu kejadian dalam waktu besok atau lusa gitu. Tapi kalau yang if it rain tomorrow lagi. Ini cocoknya conditional type 1, karena itu masih kemungkinan terjadi. Gitu Evi ya. Next, Muhammad Rizky. If you were a nice person, you would not do that thing. Good, ini benar. Berarti ini sarkas banget ya, mengatakan bahwa you itu berarti bukan orang baik gitu. I would treat you if I were rich. Yeah, that's good. Julian, if I had time, I would go with you. Okay, nice, Julian. 15 ya. If I had superpowers now, I would help everyone in distress. Okay, good job. Wildan, if I were you, I would stop my study. Seriously, you cannot stop your study now, Wildan. You are having great grades. Okay, do not stop now. Adam, bercanda biar nggak ngantuk siang-siang. Adam Raffi, if you were mine, I would swim across the ocean. Sangat tidak mungkin ini Adam ya. Vena, if I were him, I would buy an expensive car. Okay, bagus, bagus, berandai-andainya. Ferry, if I were a Godzilla, I would fight the King Kong. Okay, Kifari, if we had 1,000 Bitcoin, we should be a rich man. Okay, nice. If I were a policewoman, I would take him to the jail. Okay, nice. Maulida, if I knew his name, I would tell you. Good job, everyone. Yes, so that's it, our discussion for today. Now I need you, each of student to practice and write about, wait a second, write about, I will write on here, write. Uh, Okay, so I have a challenge for you guys. You have to write one conditional sentence type 0, one conditional sentence type 1, and one conditional sentence type 2, but by using the topic food, okay? And you have 3 minutes to do it, yeah? Please write down in a note first, and then copy it, and then paste it in the public chat. Jadi 3 kalimat ini harus 1 kali enter ya. Biar nggak kepisah-pisah, saya biar gampang ngeceknya, oke? Okay? You have 3 minutes, silakan mulai dikirim pada pukul 14.03. Best of luck. Okay, it's 2:04 already. You may start to write your sentences on the public chat now. Thank you. Okay, Fernanda. If you are writing all the 3 sentences correct, then I will write your name on my presentation, okay? Good job, Fernanda. Yes, well done. All correct. Wahyu. Good job, Wahyu. It's correct. Okay. Benar terus loh. Good job so far. Two minutes itu untuk punya Givari ya. If you eat good food, you will feel better. Yang conditional type 2-nya mulia sekali ya, Givari. Oke lah, nggak apa-apa. Cuman yang too many sweets itu harusnya O-nya 2 ya, to-nya itu. Next, Syaifullah. Oke, benar semua loh, luar biasa. Kita. It burns nggak pakai T ya, Vita. Ini pakai F ini, it burns harusnya. Tolong direvisi ya, Vita, yang type 0.
Nggak pakai T ya, Mami.
Nggak pakai T, langsung it burns gitu. Nah, ini yang type 1 sama type 2 udah oke. Tinggal type 0 aja yang direvisi ya.
Mem.
Thank you.
Dikirim lagi ke public chat berarti ya, Mem.
Iya, thank you, Vita. Next, Julian, if it becomes full. Harusnya bukan it ya, Julian ini. I eat noodle, become full gitu. Yang type 0 tolong dibenerin ya. Yang type 1 dan type 2-nya Julian udah oke. Next, Muhammad Rizky. Rizky kurang tepat ya, type 0 itu nggak pakai will, terus mother nggak perlu the ya.
Yes, ma'am.
Oke, yang type 1 sama type 2 udah benar, tinggal type 2 aja tolong dibenahi, oke? Nggak boleh pakai will. Thank you. 15-nya. Oke. Next, Reinhard. Okay, Reinhard, good job. That's correct. Nice. Ray. Okay. Next, Sophie. Okay, Sophie, that's correct. Junia ini maksudnya apa ya? If I add, I am full. Maksudnya gimana yang type 0-nya ini? Type 1-nya juga belum tepat. If I had money, I would buy a expensive food. Ini kan nggak cocok dengan type 1 ya. Junia masih salah semua ya. Type 0, type 1, type 2-nya. Silakan dibenarin. Direvisi dulu. Adiani yang type 1-nya salah. Ini if I had money itu harusnya nggak boleh pakai had ya. Dan type 0 itu bukan perandaian ya. Type 0 itu sesuatu yang pasti terjadi. If I am boring, if I am bored, I will eat food. Ini masih salah ya. Type 0 sampai type 2-nya silakan dibenerin ya Adiani. Arbin. Nah, type 0-nya salah, nggak boleh pakai will Arbin. Type 1 juga bukan kayak gini. Ini type 2 ini. Type 2-nya yang benar. Jadi type 0 sama type 1 tolong dibenerin Arbin. Utari. Oke. Oke. Oke, good job Utari, benar. Ferry. I would to try ini salah ya. Yang kedua ini harusnya I would try. Silakan direvisi ya Ferry. Smells apa? When mother cook fish. Punya Vena nih. The house always smells. Smells apa? Belum selesai nih kalimatnya Vena. Alfian salah yang type 0 ya. Kalau type 0 tuh nggak pakai will. Nah, type 1 ini type 0, aku bolak-balik ya. Type 2-nya sudah benar, Alfian. Next, Wildan. Oke, Wildan, it's correct. Yang conditional yang satu masih salah ya Nadia. Ini harusnya conditional 0 ini. Conditional 1 itu yang kemungkinan terjadi di masa depan. Yang conditional 0 sama 2-nya udah benar. Tolong direvisi yang conditional type 1. Oke, Evi, it's correct. Adam, correct. Good job, Sultan. Kita. Hey, good job, Vita. Julian, maksudnya konteksnya ini masih salah kayaknya ya. I eat noodles if becomes full. Maksudnya gimana? Yang type 1 sama 2 udah benar. Yang 0 masih salah ya, Julian. Vena, yang type 0 masih salah. When mother cook fish, itu harusnya cooks fish. The house smells apa? Berbau apa? Oke. Vena yang type 1 sama 2 udah benar, tinggal type 0-nya dibenerin ya. Vena, Doni. Oke, Doni ini mirip-mirip sama siapa ya? Yang mirip-mirip ya. Muhammad Rizky Pratama yang type 0 itu kayaknya lebih cocok type 1 deh. Konteksnya ya, secara konteks. Type 1, type 2-nya udah oke, tinggal type 0-nya yang kurang oke, Rizky. Nah, Muhammad Alfian, yang pertama, yang type 0 benar, yang type 1 itu harusnya type 2 itu ya. If I have money, nah itu kan imagination, type 2 itu. Nah, type 2-nya udah benar, jadi tolong type 1-nya dibenerin ya, Alfian. Badrul. If Muslim is fasting, perlu is. Yang type 0 tolong dibenerin ya, masih nggak tepat ini. Cari yang lain, yang lebih pasti. If breaking the fasting, ini nggak ada subjeknya. Type 1-nya Badrul, type 2-nya I would inviting, ini juga kurang tepat ya. Badrul silakan dibenerin yang type 0, 1, 2. It becomes, Ade. Yang 0 itu it becomes harusnya. Kurang S. Oke. Yang 0 aja yang salah, kurang S-nya aja Ade. Yang 1 sama 2 udah bener. Next, Nadia. I will yang 1 ya. I will be lost weight, ini kurang tepat ya. Harusnya I will lost my weight gitu. Oke, yang conditional type 1-nya tolong dibenerin Nadia ya. Nah, Vena akhirnya when mother cooks. Aduh, kurang lagi Vena. Cooks fish harusnya. The house always smells good, udah benar. Vena tolong dibenerin yang type 0 lagi ya. Good job, Ade. Okay. You nailed it. Adiani. Oke, Adiani, good job. Okay, Julian also correct. Rizky? Oke, Rizky benar. Congrats, Nadia.
Sang astral di sini. Kau meminta dengan dasar di sini. Kau meminta dengan dasar di sini. Wahai Jamal. Wahai Jamal di sini.
Junia yang
Wahai
nomor
Jamal.
2.
Gua pinta.
Yang conditional type 2 tuh masih salah ya. Silakan dibenerin.
Woi! Jamal! Anjing Jamal goblok!
Badrul, yang type 0 ini masih salah. Jangan pakai cannot ya, pakai do not harusnya. Karena cannot itu sama harganya seperti if Muslim is fasting, they cannot eat. Harusnya they do not eat. Nah, itu yang benar-benar. If I breaking the fast, ini juga masih salah secara tenses ya. If I break the fast, I will eat dates. Apa ya? Gimana ya bacanya? Ada yang tahu nggak? Type 2, if I were a rich man, I would invite one campus to breaking the fasting together. To break the fast, to breaking itu nggak ada ya. Tolong dibenerin dulu ya, Badrul. Okay, Vena. It's correct ya, Vena. Okay. Nice, Alfian. Okay, I think that's enough ya for today. Sorry if maybe you still have mistakes in your sentences. Please later check on the Edmodo. I will upload today's presentation there. Thank you very much for joining this meeting. Do you have any question before I close the meeting? About the conditional
You are now
sentences, type
unmuted.
0, type 1,
You
or
are now
type
muted.
2? Yes, Ade, are you asking something?
You are now unmuted.
Oke. Ini barusan ada pengumuman ya? Katanya 10-11 gini, pengumumannya
now
seperti
muted.
ini. Dengan adanya SE libur resmi, kegiatan kalender akademik Dipens menyesuaikan SE terbaru. Udah dapat SE-nya belum?
You are now unmuted. You are now muted.
10-11 Mei itu pekan pengganti. Berarti harusnya sekarang hari ini tuh nggak ada kuliah berarti kan? Tapi kita tetap kuliah. Berarti ini kehitung meeting ke-7. Benar nggak, Ade?
You are now unmuted.
Ya,
You are now
ya,
muted.
kemudian 17 sampai 21 Mei itu pekan ke-12 reguler dan pekan ke-7 dan 8 pelaksanaan UTS khusus. Berarti kita minggu depan setelah lebaran itu tanggal 17 itu kita cuman perlu 1 meeting aja untuk UTS. Iya, correct me if I'm wrong.
You are now unmuted.
Nah,
You are
tapi
now
menurut
muted.
saya ya, kita tetap lanjut aja. Minggu depan kita tetap 2 kali meeting. Untuk jaga nih ada libur-libur. Setuju nggak? Kalau ada libur-libur kita nggak usah bingung lagi kelas pengganti.
You are
Jadi lebih
now
cepat
unmuted.
lebih baik.
You are
Iya.
now muted.
Orang bahasa Inggris saja lo gampang kan kuliahnya, beda sama kuliah teknik gitu ya. Nah, kemudian ini loh, kayak Rabu 26 Mei itu libur hari Waisak, Selasa 1 Juni libur hari lahir Pancasila, ya kan? Libur-libur kayak gini nih yang merugikan kita. Jadi mendingan tetap kita minggu depan 2 meeting ya.
You are now unmuted.
Oke, thank you
You
so
are now
much ya
muted.
Ade. Berarti sudah jelas ya next meeting minggu depan hari Senin itu kita UTS ya. UTS-nya yaitu tentang materi midterm-nya dari semua awal banget itu vocabulary ya. Kemudian vocabulary termasuk short definition-nya, kemudian passive voice sama conditional sentences. Udah itu aja. Itu aja kan yang kita pelajari selama paruh semester ini?
You are now unmuted.
Yes,
You are
ma'am.
now
Oke,
muted.
ya itu aja. Silakan disiapkan ya. After this, I will upload today's presentation on the Edmodo. Please check, okay? So thank you very much for today's meeting. Hopefully it's beneficial for you. Inshallah, I will see you again next meeting next week, okay? After Lebaran ya. Happy Eid Mubarak. Mohon maaf lahir batin ya semuanya.
You are now unmuted. You are
Ya,
now
most
muted.
welcome. So see you when I see you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
You are now unmuted. You are now muted.
Oh no, we're saying.
Pelajaran